Good day, everyone. We will be trading on Quotex using these profitable trading tools from the platform. We used only one indicator, the alligator indicator, which yielded good results in our previous trades. This is an effective trading strategy for 10-second trades with a $50 investment per trade. This trick works well for quick 10-second trades but requires more patience to win in most positional trading markets. Using these strategies in binary options trading can help traders identify potential market trends and make more informed decisions. However, we will modify how it alerts us when there is a potential trend pattern in its algorithm. Got good trading results on my past trades, with only one loss, for which we can easily recover it. We will find a good trading spot so we can now demonstrate on how to trade with these strategy. Our Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen are our secondary filtering quick identifiers. Whenever the two lines cross, there will be a trend or breakout during this period. Simultaneously, we have our main component of the alligator indicator as our primary identifier for our strategy. The two sets of Senku will be our first target. When the two lines are far apart and have been distant from each other for several bars, this is the best spot to trade and follow its trend. Let's go trade up or higher. Check the link below for more tutorials on using this strategy. Many of us like to trade over the weekend. This is when we aim for optimal trading performance with at least 10 seconds of trading time. We have tested it out over several days and found it to be more successful than others, particularly with a 10-second duration time, since it also allows the alligator indicator to perform at its best within its parameter settings. We are now ready to move on to our next trade and choose the best alligator positions. We have favorable positioning here, but our Senku A and B are slightly close together. We will look for another opportunity to trade. Okay, OrdCAD has excellent positioning here. Our candles are at the lower portion of our alligator indicator. Both Senku lines are distant from each other and create a long candle bar with a high likelihood of going higher, which our red Senku line is attempting to do. Let's trade higher. Another solid confirmation here. It has already crossed two lines, with the red line trying to cross over the green line. Let's trade higher. We have received our trading results. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Watch the rest of the video for more positioning tips with ease.